Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We're back with a major update on the shocking case of the defendant accused of unaliving a dog in public. New details have emerged about her violent past, including multiple cases of assault and probation violations. The judge has decided to reduce her bond and place her on house arrest. Let's take a look at what this means and where the case stands now.
Thank you. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right.
Calling case number 24059288501. The people of the state of Michigan versus Shania Pierce. Defendant is being charged with count 1, animals, killing, torturing, second degree. Count 2, animals, abandoning, cruelty to one animal resulting in the animal's death. Today's the date and time for bond redetermination. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, and Mr. Reagan. Lisa Coyle appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning to everyone. Ms. Boyle, good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Philip Reagan, P57156, on behalf of Shania Pierce. Waive the readings. I'm sorry, bond.
My understanding, her bond is currently $10,000. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
That is correct.
That's correct. Judge, Ms. Pierce is 25 years of age, has 4 children, lives in the city of Detroit, has so her entire life. I had an opportunity to read the write-up. The write-up, the way it reads is disturbing. I went and talked to Ms. Pierce about, her understanding of what the write-up says, and just in terms of what kind of happened. I get a different take on it, Judge. Obviously, I can't argue it now. One of the witnesses is her child's father, who they got into a altercation the day before. It's a lot more to it than her grabbing a dog or stomping a dog. I think that once she gets an opportunity to tell the story, her side, it's going to add a little bit more to what happened, how things really did happen. The other witness that was supposedly seen her doing this, Your Honor, is somebody, Miss Pierce says that, stays out, just drinks all the time, stays out there, did not see exactly what she thought she saw because it didn't happen the way in which it was described. Obviously, we have, a situation. This is tragic here because, we have an animal that's no longer alive. But again, Judge, 4 kids, she's below the poverty guideline, does receive government assistance, does have her GED. So, I want the court to know that. So I'm asking Judge, 10,000 cash as surety, house arrest is the bond. And I think a lot of that is based on what we look at in terms of our feelings. Now, this case has to matriculate. She's absolutely innocent right now until proven guilty and has to go through this process. No pets whatsoever as a condition of bond, no pets. And, I'd ask that be a condition, but I'd also ask for personal bond. I don't think that she needs to necessarily be housed in jail while her case is matriculated. Once she has a trial, then whatever happens after that happens. But right now, I think the court can use a less intrusive measure.
Okay.
Good morning. Yes, Your Honor. I think this killing of this dog in the manner in which she did is indicative of other things. Whether I think she is a danger to the community. Currently, she has a 2023 case she's on probation for right now, malicious destruction of property, of police property, R&O, and MDP 2 to 1,000 in the 6th Circuit Court. That's taken under HIDTA status right now. She also has a pending case she's not been arraigned on yet. The date of offense of that case was August 13th of this past month. It's an assault and battery, and she assaulted the baby's father's girlfriend. So she was on probation when she committed this offense. No matter what was going on in her world, this dog did not have to die. This is not an assaultive dog, nothing that was causing it. This is a situation which is very dangerous when somebody, and it is indicative of other things, when somebody is killing an animal, especially a dog or a cat or something like that, that's a harmless animal. There are other witnesses, no matter who they are or what lifestyle they lead, they saw what they saw, and the dog was dead. It was freshly killed. And so This to me is, like I said, indicative of other things, an MDP, an RNO, a pending A and B. These are all assaultive, Your Honor. And I believe that the cash surety, 10,000 cash surety with the tether is appropriate based on what's going on in a relatively short time in this woman's life. I believe that she also made statements wanting to harm herself. She was taken to DRH. She was very aggressive towards the medical staff there. This is deeper than boyfriend issue. This is three instances, all allegations. Well, no, she's probably guilty on the MDP, police property R&O, but that shows that a pattern of violence in her 25 years. So I'm asking for that bond to remain the same with the tether. Thank you.
The court haven't heard the art. Go ahead, Phil.
I was just going to address the assault and battery case. She has a arraignment scheduled for October the 7th for that assault and battery case that Ms. Coyle was talking about. So I don't know why she had, it was out of custody. So they scheduled her in criminal for an arraignment coming up at 1:34 on October 7th, 2:30. I just wanted to address that. Yes, she's on heightened probation, Judge. So I just wanted the court to know that, but really about the assault and battery case.
Court haven't heard the arguments of counsel. Court finds the $10,000 bond is an unaffordable bond. Court finds that a cash bond is warranted in this case based on being on probation, multiple cases. These allegations are a little bit disturbing. Seems to be a little anger issues going on right now. Court is going to reduce the bond from $10,000 to $10,000, 10%. No contact with complaining witnesses, no pets, and house arrest. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge,
What was that last one?
And that's the latest on this horrific case. From dog abuse to multiple probation violations, this case keeps getting more complicated. Her bond is 10,000 cash surety and house arrest, but there's still a long road ahead. I mean, she still has to post that amount. What do you think? Is house arrest enough, or should the court have taken a tougher stance? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more courtroom updates. See you next time.